This is the Hesa Bojona and welcome to Meridian Tapping for Manifestation. This video is part of Raise Your Vibrational Frequency to Manifest Fast 7-Day Challenge. To participate and get the day-to-day sequences, go to thehesa.com/vibration. Meridian Tapping for Manifestation. Why this exercise? The purpose of this tapping is to sensitize your brain into feeling energy in your body, making you more present in your body and taking you to the space where you feel that you are enough. The more you practice this, the deeper your experience will get. So to start, locate 2 inches below your belly button and simply start tapping your lower abdomen, exhaling out through your mouth, relaxing your shoulders, relaxing your neck, your brain, relaxing your whole body. This exercise, you can do the tapping while standing, or you can do it sitting like I am on the rock or in a chair, or you can do it sitting in half lotus posture. Keep tapping your lower abdomen and keep exhaling out through your mouth, straightening your spine. As you keep tapping, you can feel your mind starts to calm down. You can feel your body starts to relax. Keep exhaling out through your mouth and keep tapping deeper and deeper and deeper. While doing this tapping, even though your eyes may be closed, your eyeballs are as if they're looking downward towards the place where you are tapping. Where your eye gaze goes, your mind goes, and naturally energy follows. And the more energy you can gather in your lower abdomen or activate in your lower abdomen, the more grounded you can feel. Keep going deeper and deeper. Keep going deeper and deeper. You may feel your lower abdomen starts to get warmer. Sometimes you may feel stretching or itchy sensation on your skin. Just keep going deeper and deeper. Relax your shoulders, relax your whole entire body. And now this time start tapping your left side. Left side, start tapping your left side. Tap intentionally. Tap with your focus on the points where you're tapping. Now you can move to your right side. Connect your mind with your body as you do this tapping. Bring 100% of your mind, feeling every single point of your body that you are tapping. Keep going deeper and deeper. Keep tapping your right side. Now tap your chest. Tap your chest. Keep exhaling out through your mouth as you tap your chest. Stagnant energy can be released just by tapping. Now tap your right shoulder and your right arm, every single corner of your right shoulder and your right arm, all the way to your fingertips. Keep feeling your body, keep feeling every single point that you tap. Give lots of love to your body. Now move to your left shoulder. Tap your left shoulder, then your left arm. You may feel your whole body may be tingling for vibrating. Keep exhaling out through your mouth. You can tap your wrists all the way to your fingertips, especially the points where you feel the most tension. You can tap those places more and deeper. Now tap your upper back. Tap your upper back, giving yourself some love and some much needed attention. Tap your upper back, then tap the back of your neck and the base of your skull. Then tap your head gently with your palms. Keep exhaling out through your mouth. Any stagnant energy is being released. And gently tap your face, your forehead, sides of your brain, and start tapping your lower back. If you're standing or even sitting, lean back forwards just slightly. Tap your lower back and start tapping your left leg all the way down to your toes. Remember, if you feel more tension on one area, you can focus on that area a little longer. And right leg, tap all the way down to your toes. This is you giving attention to yourself, you giving love to yourself, and you awakening energy circulation in your body. Slowly stop, bring your hands on your knees, and simply focus on your breathing. Breathe in deeply and out. As you breathe in and breathe out, notice your lower abdomen moving out and in. One last deep breath in and exhale out through your mouth. And now it's time to move to the next video of the sequence for the Raise Your Vibrational Frequency to Manifest a Fast 7-Day Challenge. To get access to that, please go to tehessa.com/vibration. Thanks for watching and thanks for sharing. Bye.